This challenge is called runme.py. It's an easy level challenge in the general skills category from the Beginner picoMini 2022 event. The description says, run the runme.py script to get the flag. Download the script with your browser or with wget in the web shell. And then we have a link over here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a directory for this challenge. So in your web shell, we're going to use the make directory command, mkdir, and then we're going to create it for the runme.py directory. So mkdir runme.py, and then we're going to enter the directory with cd runme.py. So after that, we can download the file. So we're going to type wget and then space, and then we're going to get our file link, which is over here. We need to right-click and select copy link address, and then go back to the web shell and right-click again and select paste. So after that, we can hit enter, and that's going to download the file. So we've downloaded this file, runme.py. So if we do ls in the web shell, we see that we have the runme.py file in the directory. Let's see what's in this file. So the command is cat runme.py, and we see that this is a Python script. We can tell from the hashtag and the exclamation point, and it ends in Python 3. There's a Python comment over here which says Python script which just prints the flag. We have the flag variable over here, and it's equal to this value right here. And there's a single instruction after that, which is print flag. So it's going to print the flag variable over here, and that's all it's going to do. So let's clear the screen, and then let's run the runme.py file using Python. So it's going to be Python and then space, and then runme.py. So the Python script is run, and it prints out the flag over here. This is the flag. All we need to do is copy it. And just to make sure, we are going to right-click and select copy. And then over back at our picoCTF challenge page, in the flag submission field over here, we're going to paste in the flag. And then click on Submit Flag. All right, and then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.